A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the eternal quest for justice and righteousness in governance. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout history, civilizations have risen and flourished when governed by the principles of justice, righteousness, and wisdom. The enduring pursuit of a just and fair society remains as crucial today as it was in antiquity. Governance at its core is not merely the exercise of authority, but the stewardship of moral order, ensuring equity, harmony, and accountability. The concept of ideal governance is deeply embedded in the annals of history, with some of the most exemplary models found in ancient traditions. One of the most profound examples is Rama Rajya, the reign of Lord Rama, described in the Ramayana as an era of unparalleled justice, fairness, and adherence to dharma, the righteous duty. This vision of governance, where the welfare of every individual was safeguarded by both leadership and collective morality, provides timeless insights into building a just society. Rama Rajya embodies the principle that governance must be anchored in moral integrity. Lord Rama ruled not by force but by unwavering adherence to justice and righteousness, ensuring that laws were not merely enforced but deeply internalized by the people. The prosperity of his kingdom was not a product of material wealth alone, but of a just order where citizens trusted their institutions and rulers upheld fairness above all else. His leadership stands as a reminder that the moral compass of a ruler determines the fate of a society. This philosophy is echoed across civilizations. The wisdom of Chanakya, the architect of the Arthashastra, emphasized that governance must be built on justice, discipline, and incorruptibility. He asserted that rulers must continually question their motives and align their actions with the greater good, for leadership is not a privilege but a responsibility. Similarly, in the Republic, Plato envisioned an ideal state ruled by philosopher kings, leaders governed by wisdom, virtue, and reason rather than ambition or personal gain. The Persian ruler Cyrus the Great exemplified just leadership through the Cyrus cylinder, often regarded as the world's first declaration of human rights, which upheld freedom, diversity, and the rule of law. The Roman concept of just civil law that guaranteed equal treatment of citizens laid the foundation for many modern legal systems. Across history, societies that upheld these principles prospered, while those that abandoned them often fell into decay. In contrast, when governance succumbs to corruption, injustice, and moral erosion, social unrest and decline inevitably follow. The challenges faced in contemporary governance, that is, inequality, distrust in institutions, and power driven leadership, all underscore the urgent need to revisit the wisdom of these historical models. Justice and righteousness are not outdated ideals, but essential foundations for societal stability and progress. What's the way forward? In an era of increasing complexities, the path forward demands a conscious return to governance driven by justice, accountability, and ethical leadership. The principles of Dharma, as exemplified in Ramarajya, and the philosophies of great thinkers across civilizations offer guiding beacons. Governments must move beyond bureaucratic efficiency and focus on fostering moral integrity in leadership, ensuring that institutions are built on transparency, fairness, and service to the people. Accountability must be non-negotiable. Governance must not only ensure legal justice but cultivate social trust by fostering inclusivity, fairness, and ethical policy making. Leaders like those envisioned by Plato and Chanakya must prioritize wisdom over power, fairness over expediency, and long-term societal good over short-term gains. Without these guiding principles, governance risks devolving into mere administration, devoid of vision or moral grounding. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in a modern world of constant upheavals, Dharma, that is the righteous duty, remains the enduring force that sustains justice, balance, and moral order. The wisdom of Ramarajya teaches that true governance and a just society are not built on power but on an unshakable commitment to righteousness, fairness, and integrity. Dharma is not an abstract ideal, it is the guiding force behind every action, every decision, and destiny of civilizations. To uphold Dharma is to walk the path of wisdom, courage, and compassion, virtues that define true leadership and the foundation of a flourishing society. Justice prevails and harmony is restored only when righteousness is upheld. The pursuit of what is just and right is not an aspiration, it is a responsibility that shapes peace and progress. As Lord Krishna proclaims in Bhagavad Gita, whenever there is a decline in righteousness and a rise in unrighteousness, O Arjuna, I manifest myself to restore the balance. This timeless message carries two profound truths. First, that no act of injustice escapes the cosmic order. And second, that righteousness will always find its champions. The course of history is shaped not by those who submit to injustice, but by those who rise to uphold truth. Let every individual, leader alike recognize that justice is not an abstract ideal to be hoped for. It is a duty to be lived, a force to be upheld, and a reality to be ensured for generations to come. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.